Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, and here we have to find apps and permissions. Let's tap on it and scroll down to the very bottom to find special app access. Let's tap, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got install unknown apps, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything, and in order to change it, for example to allow Chrome to install something, simply tap on Chrome, tap on this switcher next to allow from the source, let's get back, and as you can see it immediately changes, and from now on you will be able to install something from Chrome. The same situation will be for other apps, for example Gmail, simply tap on it, tap on the switcher, let's get back, and as you can see it also immediately changes. In order to turn it off, in order to do not allow to install anything from Gmail, simply tap on it, tap on the switcher, let's get back, and it also immediately changes, and from now on you won't be able to download anything from Gmail. So that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.